Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I'm actually doing this again because I did the entire unboxing and then looked down at my camera and realized that I had not successfully hit record. So unfortunately I have robbed you all of my organic initial reactions, but I still want to share this stuff with you guys, so we're going to go ahead and open it all up. I'm going to try to provide links for this stuff right down in the description. Usually these are available, like off-grid knives are generally available on Amazon, so I'll try to provide links if I can. If not, you can check them out on Instagram, which I'll show here in a sec. And I believe they also have a website. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, the first one I want to show here is the Seadog V2. I've handled quite a few off-grid knives here recently, and I really do enjoy their quality. You can actually go back and check out some of my past unboxings and reviews of these knives. This is most likely, I haven't checked out the price on this yet, this is most likely going to be a more budget-oriented knife. We have some nice ribbed G10 scales. This is a pretty chunky boy for sure, so if you like a more robust knife, this is definitely going to be something you'll be interested in. Running on bearings, very solid, very powerful flipping action on this guy, partially due to the shape of the flipper tab, the detent strength, and then of course the weight and mass of the blade. We have this really cool cleaver slash reverse tanto style blade. This one is sporting AUS 8. It does have the secondary lock, which is something that off-grid knives sometimes does on their folding knives. We have that really great pocket clip that I very much enjoy. Very short, very low profile, and there's a glass breaker on the back. I'm not sure that I need that in particular, but some people might appreciate that, so that's pretty cool. Next up, we have one that I found that I actually really liked. This is the Black Stallion big, aggressive Wharncliffe blade in what I believe is this G10? Yeah, G10. There's the fibers there. G10 steel liners, very robust, right? This cool honeycomb pattern and a big, tall Wharncliffe blade. Definitely a full-size knife. If you like a big, meaty knife with a tall blade, this is another great option from off-grid knives. I think they do have a couple of different options in color here, but we're looking at a black washed D2 blade. I'm going to guess the price on this guy is also very reasonable. These are you know, very high quality for the price range, and I believe, you know, people always ask, because I you know, talk about different OEMs with off-grid knives. I believe in this price tier they're using Bestech for an OEM, which is great. Bestech it has excellent quality, excellent fit and finish in both the lower and more higher end tiers of the knife world as far as price goes, so that's awesome. Really, really cool. I'm gonna guess these two are likely Bestech. They feel very Bestech-y, but I could be incorrect about that. Really like those. And then finally we have a fixed blade, the Backcountry, and this is a Blackout version. So how did this, oh, was it back here? Yeah, there we go. Definitely a large, robust fixed blade. Let's see if we can get that out here. There we go. Whoops, this is upside down. Nice Kydex sheath. You can see, very secure, no rattle or anything like that. Get this guy out. Very cool. More ribbed G10, very robust. Plenty of handle room on this guy, which is something I appreciate. There was a fixed blade that they did that I liked, but I just thought the handle was a little bit too short. This definitely feels the hand, very, very comfortable. And then we're looking at a recurved sort of, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to call this grind, D2 blade. These are all very nicely sharpened, right? This is definitely going to be something that's going to appeal to people who really want a nice, meaty fixed blade for a reasonable price. Their prices have always been reasonable as far as I'm concerned, so I would invite you guys to check these out down in the description if you'd like to. Again, sorry I messed up the initial unboxing. I kept going back through this and doing it again. It's just like so much more like, and here's this one, and here's what this is what I initially thought about it, but I can't show you because I forgot to hit record. These are all really cool. It's always fun to check out new things from off-grid knives. Legitimately I've enjoyed everything that I have checked out from them, but The full reviews, again, this is just an unboxing, initial impressions, things like that. After I've gathered my thoughts, you'll get individual reviews on each of these knives. So we're probably looking at a few weeks, and probably, you know, for the first, probably a couple weeks for the first one, and then at least a week in between for each one. I'm not sure what order I'll do them in, but yeah, these are cool. Check them out. And let's see here. Yeah, there we go. Instagram is at Offgrid Knives, so check them out. And then offgridknives.com is the website, so check that stuff out. And I'll try to link in general Offgrid Knives, you know, everything else that's available, so you guys can go you know, see what else they've got down below. But anyways, very cool. Thank you so much to Offgrid Knives for sending these to me. Very, very awesome. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.